Okay, Operation Tree Removal is now turned into Operation Rock Removal. That little rock was sitting on the ground, being a pain in the ass, sticking out of the ground, a high center of the skid steer, high center of the quad. So anyway, it's coming out, maybe, because the skid steer can't get it out of that hole. I'm not sure if I got enough chain, and I'm double lined, 8,000 pound winch. It's moved it a little bit. I would estimate 5 inches. Jesus.